Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So in this tutorial I will show you how to use a template with Influx Plus. First you gotta log into your dashboard and members area, and then you go to pages, and then you choose to create a new page. You click on add a new page, and then you click on this, use the Divi Builder. Here you have three options, but you're gonna choose the one in the middle. Choose a pre-made layout, and you click here, browse layouts. As you can see, there's a lot of layouts, and you can browse through the categories as well. So if you want to have a closer look at one layout, you just click the image of preview of it. Now every theme comes with several pages that will be added to the pack, and you can customize them any way you want. You can view a live demo here, but if you have decided to use the particular theme, then click the green button here, use this layout. So here's your page now, and you can edit it and manage it any way you want. If you want to choose another image for it, then you just choose from the library or upload a new one. If you want to change the design for it, you can have the sizing, for instance, spacing and so on. You can change it however you want it. Now the image is changing, as you can see, and when you're done, you just click the green button to change the section with the subject line, headline. You just click on the section, and then you see this little wheel here. You click on that, here you can change the text. And when you are satisfied with how it looks, you just click on the green button with the arrow there. You can also change the color of buttons, such as this one. You just click on it. Then you click on the wheel. And you can set up link and all that, and you can click on design. Alignment, box shadow and all that. You can click on button here, and you can have a text color, but button text size, button border width and so on, and the color of the button. Like that. And when you're satisfied, then you click on the green button again, And when you're pleased with how the page looks, then you just save it, the page. And so there you have it. If you want to start your 14-day free trial building any website that you want, then click the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.